Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I think you have clicked the video seeing the thumbnail AI with Excel. So yeah, you have come to the right place. I am going to teach beginners how to use AI with Excel. This is my first YouTube video, so share your insights about how it is so I can improve. Let's begin. So I hope you can see my Excel sheet. Here I have taken data of some random clients' names and a payment received column. So if I ask you that, I need a formula to show active if the payment is true and access denied if it's false. How will you do it? Don't pressurize your mind. This is precisely where the role of AI comes into play. Forget the days of manual formula construction. Instead, let me demonstrate a far more efficient and cutting-edge approach, showing you how AI can instantly generate the correct formula, complete with the specified logic. So here I have opened my Gemini AI. I use Gemini as, to be honest, I have a pro version of it. That's why. But you can use any AI platform which you are comfortable in. Now observe how I will utilize AI to solve my problem. Yes there. We got our answer. We will use the if function of Excel to solve our problem. You can see how I generated a code by simply telling him what my problem was. It just automatically understood what I would need in that situation and generated me the formula. But remember, what I will tell you now is very important, otherwise your formula will not work even if you generate it by AI. Notice I have mentioned the cell reference, like C2 and B2 in the prompt, so you need to be careful about this, as if you put a wrong reference AI will generate a code, but when you copy and paste the code in Excel it will not. You know, Excel is very sensitive about cell location, so even a slight mistake will show you an error. That's why I have mentioned the proper location of cells in the prompt, so that I don't face any issue while copying and pasting the formula in Excel. So that was too much talking, I know, but it was important to tell you. Now I have copied the formula from Gemini and I will simply just paste it in the proper cell location, that is C2. Boom. We have achieved precisely what we set out to do, and with an astonishing lack of effort. This demonstrates just how powerful and easy it is to integrate complex solutions using AI. This was all for today. I will keep bringing new things to make you an AI bot. Haha, just joking. I will help you with this and you help me with subscribing to my channel 50/50 deal. So goodbye, see you all soon in the next video. Till then, watch my shorts that I have uploaded. Tata.